Hi guys, I'm back. I'm on another mission. I'm at the Niagara River, and we're gonna head out to that little island over there. I don't know if you can see it or not. And then there's like a little cove up behind the island, and there's an opening there, and it's calmer in there, like structured from the wind and stuff. And that's where our goal is going to be, over there. But I gotta paddle up this river a little bit and then cross over. It's a little scary, especially with these big waves and boats. So I wait for the right opportunity and then I cross. And my gear's down here. I pull the truck down, drop my stuff off, and then I pull the truck back up there, because if you park down in here where the trailers are, you got to pay a fee. So I drop my gear up, and then there's another parking lot up front where I can park for free. So that's where the truck is. And if you're new to the channel, you're watching Jack's Gone Fishing, and we're on another mission. So let's head out there. I'm gonna turn off the camera for now and get my kayak out there, and I'll meet you guys on the water. All right guys, we're on the water. Doesn't look too bad. It's a little sketchy though. These waves are following me from behind. I don't see any boats. Let's go that way. Okay, as long as no big boats go by. It's a little sketchy doing this though. Every time I do this I get a little nervous, you know? Because I hate to put the kayak, you know, all my gear and GoPros, and that would suck. The wind was a little calmer, it wouldn't be so bad. But the little bit of wind is, you know, picking up the waves a little bit. Some little waves splashing at you here. I hope the cameras aren't getting much wind noise. I forgot about the wind noise with the cameras, darn it. Every time I come out here, it looks a little different, you know? Waterfowl blind. Ooh, a couple big herrings hanging out. Nice. This is what I mean. Look at all this nature out here. Oh my goodness, it's beautiful. Beautiful. Well, it is shallow through here, so I think I'm going to go with the stick bait, because it doesn't go that deep, you know. It looks really shallow. really shallow in some spots. Look, you can see it's only like a foot here. But usually where in the back more over there, it gets a little deeper. We're gonna head over there. We'll get my little stick bait here. Right there, that's my favorite one. It's actually about, it's not too hot today either. It's about, I don't know, I'd say 75, 76, 77. Take these off so I can see better. Shallow it is over there. I'm almost hitting bottom. I know. Oh my, there's like 4 here. Oh my God, look at all the herrings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wow, they're all hanging out here, dude. Man, awesome. How beautiful is that, guys? Oh my goodness, that's amazing. Oh my God, oh, scared the crap out of me. It must have been a big fish sitting there. I startled him and he startled me. Holy cracker. Maybe it's a little deeper over here. Yeah, I even hit bottom there. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's gorgeous. Let's see if we can get out of here. I'm almost at the bottom here. It's really shallow. But I know it's deeper back, a little bit back there. See where the herrings are? You can look, his legs are in deeper over there. I don't even want to go over that way and scare those guys. I'm gonna have to go around. You know, that's what we're gonna do, guys. We'll head around them because I think this is too shallow over here. Plus, I don't want to disturb the herrings, you know. So we'll go over this way. Man, it is so beautiful back here. Look at all the nature and all the birds and. Look at these guys. Oh my goodness. I just hit I just got grounded, guys. Can't go that way. Let's go around more. I wonder how deep it is over here. Maybe I can get a cast over here. I know there's a lot of carp too that are back here, but there's a lot of bass too. And you never know, it could be a pike or two. Little birds in the trees. They don't want seaweed. Oh, I just got a snag. Darn it. I didn't see all that stuff in there. Ooh, look at all them roots and stuff. Oh, there's a carp. See a carp down there? Oh my God, look at all of them. Look at them all. There's a bunch of carp in there. Look at them. Now you guys can see. It's got that mouth. Oh, we just got hit. Oh, it's a pretty good one too, guys. We got to get over there. Ah! It's going down. It's fighting pretty good too. What is it? What is it? Oh my God, I'm getting caught. Oh, where is he? Don't get off. Where is he? Oh, it's a nice smallie. Oh my goodness. Is that a smallie? No, that might be that's a small largemouth. Look, guys. That's a little small largemouth. Really nice looking too. He's got some head trauma on the back of his head though, but he looks good. And he was fighting good. There he goes. Nice. He nailed that thing too. Nailed it. Oh no, that's not good. Nice. There we go. Got one. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. staying down deep. Oh my goodness. Did I just snag a carp? It went straight down. Oh my goodness. I hope I didn't snag a carp. What is it? Nope, got off. Whatever it was got off. I wonder if that was a carp I almost accidentally got. Because it was big. And he went down and got off. Hooked me into this log here. We're not trying to catch carp, guys. You know? We want bass. Favorably big bass. Oh, the camera's getting hot. Darn it. Oh my goodness. Did you see that, guys? He just broke right out. I still got him. I still got him. Oh my God. And I was just going to turn off my camera. It's a nice largemouth. Look at that. Oh, he's a fighter. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. We're going to land this baby, guys. We're going to land him. We got him. He's a fighter. He's a good sized bass, guys. Oh my God. Oh yes, come on, boy. Come on, he's a... Oh my goodness, he's pulling my line. Oh God, he's nice. Oh God, he's pretty good. Man, he's a fighter. Holy cow, he's fighting. Oh jeez. Don't lose him, don't lose him. Oh my God, he's right under my kayak. Oh jeez. Oh my goodness, look at this guy. Oh, he's gorgeous. He's gorgeous. Man. Where is he? He's going under my kayak again. Oh, we got him, guys. Oh, look at this beast. Oh my goodness. He's tangled up good. I gotta get my pliers. Holy cow. This is a beast, guys. Nailed it. I knew this was the right lure to use today. There we go. Get that off his lip. Get this off here now. There we go. Oh my goodness. Oh my God, guys. Look at that. Look at that bass. Oh, he's got to at least be almost 3 pounds. Look at that guy. Nice catch, guys. Woohoo! No, that was sweet. He nailed that thing. Oh man. That was sweet. So sweet, guys. Oh man, that was awesome. What a catch. I think that's might be my biggest bass this season. Wow. That was great. Let's get another one. Let's get a bigger one. He comes flying out of the water too. That could be a good slow-mo, guys. Might have another nice slow-mo. Beautiful. Now don't you guys go telling everybody about the spot now. Okay? It's only for us to know about it. Alright? It's only for us to know about it. Man, that was a sweet largemouth. I knew this would be a pretty good bait. This is, see, this is, and it only goes down about a foot or so, you know, foot and a half. And it's got that nice little tail on the end of it, which I lost half of it. All right, well, I hope you guys caught that, because that was nice. Nice bass. Oh, I love it out here. So beautiful. There's a bunch of minnows in here too. See them all jumping when I'm reeling in? Little minnows. Oh, we got seaweed. Seaweed. Well, it was already worth coming out here, right guys? Already worth coming out, see? Yep, look at that. I hope the camera picked up those fish. Man, can't get over that. There was like 5 or 6 of them hanging out together. Oh, camera's getting hot, guys. I'm gonna shut it down for a little while. I'll be back. Oh my God, guys. I just hit something big. Jumped out of the water twice. It's a big old largemouth. Oh my God, he's huge. Oh, I hope you guys saw that. He is big. He is big, guys. Oh my God. This might be close to a 4-pounder. Look at him. Oh my God, he's nice. Look at this guy. Oh my God. Don't get off. Don't get off. Don't get off, man. Don't get off. Oh my God. That's my personal best this season. Holy cow. It might be my personal best, period. Holy cow, guys. Don't lose him. Don't lose him, guys. Holy cow. He is a lunker. Holy cow. Oh my God. Oh my God, this might be my personal best, guys. I don't want to lose him. I don't want to lose him. Oh my God, look at the size of him. Oh God, don't get off. Oh my God. Oh Jesus. Oh, don't get off. Oh, ah. Oh shoot. Ah, God darn it. Oh, God, that hurts. Oh my God. I got the hook right in my thumb. Oh, darn it. I should have grabbed the grips. I gotta shut down and get this out of my thumb, guys. I'm back, guys. I got it out. Look at that thing bent right into my thumb. Should be okay. Oh God. Did you see the size of that bass? Oh my God, that had to be a 5-pounder almost. He went over there and jumped again too on me. I think that was the biggest bass I ever got, guys. Is that landed? I touched him. I touched him, guys. Does that count? Oh my God. Oh man. Whew. I gotta wrap this up somehow. All right, I just wanted to come back and tell you guys I'm okay. I'll be back in a minute. All right, guys, I pedaled over the shore, over to a little island, stretch my legs and take a break. I haven't caught anything else, so I think I'm gonna close it out here, you know. But my thumb's okay. Look, it's just a little cut. Actually, it's not the first time I've done that, believe it or not. I've done it 1 or 2 other times. Definitely 1 other time. But it'll be alright. It doesn't hurt or nothing. Stop bleeding after I cleaned it out. And I love it out here. It's a nice little spot. Then we got the island. Little island. We're going to come out here again, guys. We'll definitely come out here again before the end of the year. I'm coming back for that big guy. I'm telling you. Coming back for him. It's a nice little spot to come fish for kayakers. There's the kayak. Nothing rigged on it. Just plain old kayak. And I'm slaying them. Whew. Man, that was definitely my personal best. I'm telling you guys. Please smash that thumbs up and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next one. I'm going.